Family support group. Family support group. Family support group. Family support group. On behalf of the good people of Rivers State, especially members of the party, want to specially thank the representative of the governor who has come here to welcome us and has assured us and given us hope to continue from where we are today. I also want to thank the leadership, the President General and the entire ESCOs of the Family Support Group for this gesture towards the peace-loving governor of Rivers State. We want to assure Rivers people that many more of such peaceful movements will be witnessed in Rivers State.
His Excellency Fubara GSS Executive Governor of Rivers State, that we, the member of Family Support Group worldwide, we are 100% with him. We are 100% with him. No shaking. Rivers State belongs to all of us. Yes, they told us one thing during the election, that we should vote and defend our vote. Yes. When we vote and defend our vote, we will also defend the man we voted for. We will also defend the man we voted for. We are Family Support Group. Rivers State belongs to all of us. Rivers State is not a man, one man show. It's for everybody. It's for everybody. It's for everybody. See, we are from Rivers State. Yes. We cannot have any other state apart from Rivers State. Yes. For development to slide, we need peace. For development to slide, we need peace. Abuja is too far. Abuja is too far. A man that did not recognize you in 8 years in Rivers State, when he goes to Abuja, will he recognize you? No. See, it's practical. Politics is practical. Everything we are doing is practical. Any man that does not recognize you when he's here, when you go to Abuja, he will never recognize you. When you go to Abuja, he will never recognize you. Fubara, stand firm. Family Support Group is with you. Family Support Group is with you. All the world coordinators are with you. All the world ESCOs are with you. All the NGO coordinators are with you. All national executives are with you. All leaders are with you. PDP is with you. Don't shake. Don't shake. I have one just thing to tell you. Sir, your second tenure election, Family Support Group is going to buy you form. We are going to buy your governorship form. You will do well, we know. We know you will do well. For the next election, your second tenure must come to pass. You will do 8 years. Fubara will do 8 years. You are the Rivers inventor. You are the Rivers inventor. You are the Rivers inventor. Capacity, Rivers State, Governor Fubara. Capacity, Rivers State, Governor Fubara. You are in charge. You are the leader, and we will follow you. Just make a step, and it's done. Just make a step, and it's done. We are Family Support Group. We don't fear. We can't fear. We can't fear. Man dies once. And when you die, since you cannot hold my soul, you don't have any strength. Since you cannot hold my soul, you don't have any strength. They can do whatever thing they want to do. You people know how they did us. There back days. But Fubara have removed tears from our eyes. So Fubara have removed tears from our eyes. Through our eyes. So Fubara have removed tears from our eyes. Through our force. We are with you, sir. Thank you and God bless.
I want to say thank you to all of you,
you.
For the kind words you have used about the governor. As we are reading out, please, can you just shift a bit? I want to show you something. Can you focus on the governor there? That was the image I was seeing as we were making the statements, speaker by speaker. I saw the governor smiling. And as you see him smiling there, with chief of staff and all the principal actors, I can assure you that land of Rivers State is actually smiling. I want to thank you for your fervent support for the governor, which you have expressed here. And like you said, when we cast our votes, we are encouraged, admonished, advised to also defend those votes. We need to then add that when we have also voted someone in, we also need to defend that person. Is that what you said?
Yes.
Is that what we say?
Yes.
Then our job is simple. Because the whole land of Rivers State stands in affirmation that the governor won this election squarely and deserves his full tenure. And there's not going to be anything that will short of that particular mandate. Please, all of us are giving to him. Is that our mandate?
Yes.
Is that the message that you take back?
Yes.
Is that what I have to report back?
Yes.
That you have come here to support him?
Yes.
That we should not be afraid.
Yes.
He should move on.
Move on.
The River people are with him.
Yes.
I want to thank you for that. Point River State will be open like Lagos. Just yesterday, you heard on the news also that the governor has commenced the construction of the road from Elele. You know where Elele is?
Yes.
At end of Ikure local government border end, you move from that to Emoha, to Ikiri Omok. That road, the one that was done, which was commendable at the time it was done, was just one lane. But now it's going to dualize. He has already awarded the contract. A lot of things are in the pipeline. But let me not overemphasize them so that we will not break those pipelines. They will come out by themselves. Now look at this place, this secretariat complex. This is the pride of River State.
Yes.
This place you see, as soon as the governor, when he came in, there was no water flowing here. People were buying water with rubber, climbing up, and we felt it was a security problem. For people you don't know to be climbing in everywhere to bring water. Now water flows here 247. Is that not one? Now the leaks, people were climbing from down to 17th floor. The first working days of the governor were spent coming to inspect facilities here, and as I speak, we have lifts going on. Taking people to go and I talk about here, not where I work, but because here is a monument for River State. There is no village that does not have a representative in that complex. This River State Secretariat complex. Let me even not talk about that one. This place called Government House used to be something you just pass when you pass just. But now, I don't know if any of you has not been entering here now. Here is now very friendly. This is our house. This is government house. And when the government begin, we are the owners of government. I want to say that there's something beyond what we can even say with our mouths. The personal approach of the governor, even the way I'm addressing you now, I'm not speaking on my own. I know that I'm protected to say this way. I've been asked to speak this way. The governor is pro-youth. The governor is pro-human beings. If any person is crying here, be sure that the governor will also feel that level of empathy. He will cry with you. And that is what we want in government. After all, those who define democracy said, it is the government of the people, by the people, and it is for this government is democratic. It is for you. I therefore want to thank you for the promise you have made. And I want you to remain unshakable. Hold that very well. That one, you will defend him. So when you hear any story outside, be the ambassador to defend the governor and tell the people the things you know your own. Say, this one, no, I know he has done this one. If they say he has done it, you have to tell them, tell us the things that he has done wrong. That you also want to hear those things he has done wrong. But from your own perspective, that what you know is this. From their perspective, let them also tell you what they are saying. Not because of their personal interest. But if there's anything like this, what they have done are for all of us. If there's anything I've done against all of us, let them convince you. Then bring it back as a feedback to the man that you are defending. I want to thank Rivers people here. And I want to make a promise to the man from our holder who spoke. Mimi, what is it?
Wisdom.
No, not to us. There's a man that spoke about that person. I have heard their message. Yeah, that some people are suffering somewhere in the region. Unjustly. I have heard that. I'm going to tell them that's one of the major feedbacks I'll take back. And you made a promise that you buy him for. That shows you are not parasites. You are the real river people that are. Others are coming to talk about what we're doing to them. You are coming and you are trying to make an offer. I will take this promise that you have made back to the government. And I can assure you that we will take this offer when the time comes.
Thank you, sir.
Once more, I want to thank your leadership for properly conducting yourself. Conducting yourself in many ways. See where we are. See the kind of plunder this son. These are not people compared to be here. They are here on their own.
Yes.
And you can see the level of determination they have to salvage their state. River State belongs to you.
Yes, man.
It is your state.
Yes.
Just hold it very dearly. And every as you pray that God should further advance the cause of River State. That at the end of the day, all of us are proud to say, this is the state of our pride. May God bless all of you as you go back to your houses.
Amen.
May God keep your families in good health.
Amen.
You left house this morning, seeing them, they told you bye-bye. As you go back, they will tell you welcome, Daddy.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.